Hello everyone, welcome to Steno Aspirants. I am Akshay and I am going to dictate you a budgetary allocation passage containing 400 words at the speed of 100 words per minute. So get ready. 3 seconds. Start. I now turn to budgetary allocations. Stop. While announcing the allocations, I want to reiterate my government's firm commitment to strengthen the federal structure of the country and our resolve to work closely with the state governments for the larger good of the people. Stop. Government is committed to the welfare of SCs and STs. Stop. This year, an amount of rupees 50 crore is proposed under the SC plan and rupees 32 crore under TSP. Stop. To provide credit enhancement facility for young startup entrepreneurs from scheduled castes who aspire to be part of the new middle class, I propose to set aside a sum of rupees 200 crore which will be operationalized through a scheme by IFCI. Stop. For the welfare of the tribals, One Bandhu Kalyan Yojana is being launched with an initial allocation of rupees 100 crore. Stop. NDA government during its last term in office had introduced the Varisht Pension Bima Yojana as a pension scheme for senior citizens. Stop. Under the scheme, a total number of 3.16 lakh persons are being benefited and the corpus amounts to rupees 60 crore. Stop passage. I propose to revive the scheme for a limited period from 15 August 2014 to 14 August 2015 for the benefit of citizens aged 60 years and above. Stop. A large amount of money is estimated to be lying as unclaimed amounts with PPF, post office, saving schemes, etc. Stop. These are mostly out of investments belonging to the senior citizens and on their demise remain unclaimed for want of relevant payment instructions. Stop. I propose to set up a committee to examine and recommend how this amount can be used to protect and further financial interest of the senior citizens. Stop. The committee will give its report not later than December this year. Stop. Government is fully committed to the social security and welfare of employees serving in the organized sector. Stop. The government is notifying minimum pension of rupees 1000 per month to all subscriber members of EPS scheme and has made an initial provision of rupees 250 crore in the current financial year to meet the expenditure. Stop. Further increase in mandatory wage ceiling of subscription of EPS from rupees 6000 to rupees 15,000 has been made and a provision of rupees 250 crore has been provided in the current budget as such. Stop. Over.